Okay, 8th grade, so this is how you would complete your translations homework. So you're going into Mr. Riley's class. I've got his first period class here. It basically, once you go there, there's 3 assignments that he gave you. Translations, translations continued, translations review, and quiz. So what you're going to do is click through all those, and you once you click on translations, it tells you if anybody, like for me, it tells me who's done it and who hasn't. So you can see these 12 that were returned. Those are people that did it. The 11 assigned are the people who haven't done it. So when you go in and you complete it, you also need to make sure you click on turned in. Okay, it should be up around here. It'll say, and you can click turn in. For me as an admin, it doesn't show that. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. You're going to log in. Okay. Once you log in, like sign up, make your own password, create your own Khan Academy, it's going to log you into geometric transformations, or you can click in the search if you can't find it, geometric transformations, to get here. You're going to want to watch some of these videos, practice. These are all practice, and the important part is he wants you to take this quiz. So time for a quiz, let's go. A single transformation was applied. What transformation was it? Did it just slide over? Nope, because this is a different angle. If it's a different angle, it must have rotated. It's not a direct reflection. It's not a mirror reflection. And a dilation means it got smaller or bigger. So we would consider this a rotation. Okay, and then when you're talking about these triangles and that how they're different right now, it's asking you how much do they move. So I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to pick point B because that's easy for me to see, and kind of count out how I got, like how many spaces till I get right here and how many spaces till I get down here. So it went to the right. Well, it says ABC is under translation, so this is the original. So I'm actually going to say, instead of saying it went right, I'm going to go up first. So it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units up. Oop. If this is up and down, then I'm going to put 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the left. Okay, once I have that, I can check it. It will tell me if I got it correct. Move to the next one. It says draw the image of a quadrilateral ABCD under translation going 2 to the right and 5 units down. Okay, so what that means is you start with this point. They're on the exact same part, right? We're starting the same, but what happens with the green is that it's going 2 to the right and 5 down. So ready? 2 to the right and 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the right, 1, 2, 5 down. 2 to the right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 2 to the right, 1, 2, and 5 down. 1, 2, 3, got a little mixed up there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really tricky, so just try to be careful. Sometimes you can get confused there. What single transformation was applied? So, did it rotate? No. Is it its exact mirror image, like back to back? No. Is it smaller or bigger than the other one? Nope. Did it just slide to the left? Yes. A slide is a translation. So we click translation. All right, last question. It says that it happened in a translation. There was a slide, okay? So I'm looking at, went from 3 to 6. If you go on a map or on your coordinate plane and you go from 6 or go from 3 to 6, you're going to the left, okay? Or 6, 4 is where you start and then you end at 3. So yes, you're going to the left, 3. And if you go from 4 to 2, you're going up, right? If I started, and you can plot the point. to help yourself. But if you start at 4 and you go to 2, if you start at 4 and you go to 2, you're going down. So let's see if we got this right. 2 down. Awesome. So once you finish this quiz, that's all that he was asking for you to do for the first one. You can go back, and he has translations continued, instructions. Click on that. You're going to do the exact same thing. You're watching the video, watching the videos, and taking this quiz. Okay? Once you've taken, there's those 2 quizzes. And then, just so you know, after those 2 quizzes, there's this translation review and quiz. Here's the instructions here. Okay, he wants you to take all 3. Okay, so if you've done 3 quizzes and you're done for him, you need to go to Google Classroom and click Turned In, so that when I go to Student Work, I could see the 6 turned in are these guys. I want to see everybody turned in. Okay. Any questions, you can email me. Thank you.